Move the film pressure plates to both ends. Open the pinch rollers. Check the film winding rod. The two movable fixing rings are on the outside. Only one movable and one immovable is the outside. Remove the screws and two fixing rings on the outside and install the printing film. Print film arrow facing down. First install IGTF film fixing parts. Then pass through the printed film. Then install another DTF film fixing parts. Press the true DTF film fixing parts inwards firmly. Install the fixing ring and screws. When installing the printer, the pointed end should be facing upwards. Then push the printing film to the left and push it to the yellow label baffle. Press the inner fixing ring inward and tighten the screws. Press the other fixing ring inward and tighten the screws. Press the inner fixing ring inward and tighten the screws. Tear off the label. The printing film is fed into the printer along the edge. Lower the pinch roller. Press the right side of the film pressing piece onto the printing film and align it with the white line. Press the film pressure sheet onto the printing film.